Hi, CCS friends. Welcome back for another week of our animal research project. So last week we learned about three animals. We researched the elephant, the lion, and the zebra. This week we're going to use the information we learned to organize it into a graphic organizer. And a graphic organizer is just an information page. So we're going to take the information we learned from a book and we're going to put it on a different page for us to use for the next step of our research. So today our target is, I can use my annotations to complete a graphic organizer about an animal. So today you're going to have to make a big decision because you're going to choose the animal that you're going to be using for your research project for the rest of this week and next week. So whatever animal you pick, you're going to keep using that animal. So I'm going to show you how to do this assignment with an elephant, but you're going to choose either a zebra or a lion. Zebra or a lion. Wonder what you'll pick. So today I want to show you our target. Our target is, I can use my annotations to complete a graphic organizer about an animal. Let's try that together. Ready? Mirror with words. I can use my annotations to complete a graphic organizer about an animal. Perfect. So what that just means is that we're going to use the important information that we underlined last week and put it into a graphic organizer. A graphic organizer is a page of information. So we're going to basically just organize that information onto a new page. But the really key important part here is that we have to use our own words. We can't copy exactly what the author said. We want to rewrite that information using our own words this week. So I'm going to show you how to do this with our elephant. To get us thinking about the elephant, I have a new video for us this week. So let's start there.
Elephants. What is something that all elephants have? That's right, it's a trunk. But what exactly is an elephant's trunk? It's a very long nose, so it's great for smelling, just like your nose. But it's many other things for an elephant. It's a trumpet, or a snorkel, or even a straw for drinking. It's an arm to hug other elephants, or a supporting hand in case someone gets stuck in the mud. Some baby elephants even suck their trunks like a thumb. So what else makes elephants special? They're very big, the largest animal on land, in fact. If an elephant stood next to you, it would be roughly 3 times taller. So they need to eat lots of vegetation every day and drink lots of water, more than 200 liters to be exact. They also have large, thin ears that they use to cool themselves down, and big tusks to help dig for water, or used to scrape bark from trees. That's yummy food for an elephant. Elephants are very friendly to each other too. The females and young stick together in a big family herd. In the wild, elephants live for a really long time. But they always have wrinkles. Wouldn't it be great to see elephants in the wild? Click on the videos above to see.
I really liked that video. I feel like I learned some new things about elephants that I didn't know before and that weren't in the reading that I did. So sometimes when we do research, we can get information from multiple places. We can get it from books, we can get it from online resources, and we can get it from videos. It's pretty interesting. So let's jump into our assignment for today. We're going to be doing a graphic organizer for 2 interesting things about the elephant. We're going to be talking about the appearance of the elephant and the diet that the elephant has. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So today I'm going to pull up 2 things. I need my annotated article And then I'm also going to need to be able to view the assignment that we're talking about. So I'm going to show you that also. So in Google Classroom, you're going to see an assignment that looks like this. In this assignment, you're going to be writing an animal report. So I'm going to show you mine. So my Savannah animal report, and I'm on the animal elephant. I'm going to put an elephant, and then by is my author, so that's me. I'm writing it, Miss Berry. So my first page is the appearance page. Here is a picture of my animal. So I want to put in a picture of an elephant. And in writing with Miss Rodriguez, she taught you how to add a picture in Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Insert Image, and you're going to search the web. See this that looks like a magnifying glass? You want to click that. And I already typed in that I needed an elephant, so that's why you already see some there. And I want to choose one that looks like the description from my reading. So when I go back to my reading, I see that elephants are big, they are gray, they have big ears, they have 2 big tusks, and they have a long trunk. So I want to try to find a picture that I can see that they have big ears, 2 tusks, and a long trunk. So now when I go back to my picture, I'm going to see, I see ears, tusks, and a trunk. I think I'm going to choose this picture. So I'm going to select it, and then down at the bottom, I have to say Insert. And then my picture is created. Now, for this, I have to make it smaller because I want it to fit in my box. So here is a picture of my animal. My animal is a amphibian, bird, fish, insect, mammal, or reptile. I have to circle which one. When I go back to my book about elephants, I remember the word mammal at the top. A mammal means that it's warm-blooded, that it can have babies, and that it has fur or hair. So I remember that that's what an elephant is, a mammal. I'm going to circle that. I'm done with my appearance page. So now I have to go to my second slide that says habitat. A habitat is where the animal lives. So that is my next thing that I need to figure out. So it says, here's a picture of my animal's habitat. How am I going to find that? Where does an elephant live? Let's go back and check my article to see where an elephant lives. I can't remember. Let's see. Elephant habitat should be blue. I'm going to look at the blue words. Here we go. They live in savannas. That's right, a savanna. So I want to look for a picture of a savanna. Again, I'm going to go to Insert Image. I'm going to go to the Search Picture, and I'm going to type in savanna. Oh, and I see some really good grasslands that look really dry. This one you can see that they have a watering hole. Sometimes the water is far away. The animals have to travel really far to find it. I'm going to choose this one. I like that that one has the trees in it and the grass. So I'm going to put this one of the savanna, and then I want to circle that the animal lives in a savanna. So I'm going to take my circle here and move it to that word. So this animal does not live in a river, it does not live in a rainforest, and it doesn't live in a wetland. It lives in the savanna. So that is all I have to complete today for my elephant. I'm going to do a few more pages each day this week. You're going to do the same, but today you are choosing to show either a lion or a zebra. So this is where you have to make your decision. Whatever animal you pick, you're going to stick with for 2 full weeks. So which one do you want to choose? Do you want to do the lion or do you want to do the zebra? You decide. And when you go into Google Classroom, you're going to do the same assignment that I just did, but you're going to use either the lion or the zebra for your information. So when you pull up Google Classroom today, you're going to see 3 things attached. One is all about a lion, one is all about a zebra, and then the other thing is your graphic organizer. So you have to choose which article you're choosing. And then you're going to open up your graphic organizer and put your information in. So remember, today you're using your annotations to complete a graphic organizer about an animal. So you're going to use those colorful underlined information to answer, where does the animal live and what does the animal look like? Appearance and habitat. Go ahead and get started right away. I can't wait to see your research come to life. Bye, friends.